How hard is it to program a cell matrix? Well, in some sense, it's no more difficult than doing anything in digital logic. If you can design a digital circuit by hand, you can design a cell matrix circuit by hand. The basic foundation of circuits you build on the cell matrix are gates. Things start off at the gate level. You can build a hierarchy of gates turning into small scale devices, turning into medium scale devices that you put together to make some large scale system. But underneath it all is just gates. And if you can design something with a few AND gates or some flip-flops, you can put it on the cell matrix. And it's pretty straightforward to do. Now, in the tool chain discussion, you'll hear that there are some differences between being able to do this by hand on a small scale and being able to do it on a large scale. But at the base, being able to design a circuit on a cell matrix is very straightforward if you know how to do digital logic, if you know how to put together gates and small sequential elements and so on. Actually getting it inside a cell, that's a fairly automated process. Now if you're on a simulator, there are tools that you can use that will take a description of a cell matrix circuit and compile it into a binary form that the simulator can ingest, and it will configure the simulated cells to implement your circuit. If you have a physical cell matrix and you want to configure it, you need to do some kind of bootstrap. And again, there's no built-in bootstrap system for the cell matrix. It has to be built. That's potentially a disadvantage, but it's actually a huge advantage to the system because it means you can customize the bootstrap based on the thing that you're trying to boot the system to be. Anyway, there are pre-existing solutions for how to bootstrap the system with a given configuration so that it will turn the truth tables of a set of cells into whatever it is that you specified in order to implement your circuit. So the basic process of programming a cell matrix is relatively straightforward. It's really just coming up with a digital circuit and then mapping it onto a set of cells.